Hi, Leathur Rokk here, and I'm filming from my garden. I have to be careful because I want to, do this safely and not attract attention of my neighbors, because this is not in my backyard. It's a community garden plot, but I wanted to show off my babies. And this is my biggest tomato plant, and I've got some beans here. These are my babies. I'm going to have a lot more I'm going to be transferring. I have green beans, I have wax beans, I have two kinds of leaf lettuce. I have something called mustard spinach, which I never heard of, but I'm sure it's good. I've got, got two squash coming up. I've got acorn squash, and I've got butternut. I don't know if you can see any of this here because it's an overcast day and it's kind of cloudy, and I have to really be careful with the angles I'm showing here. I tried to film last night, but it was absolutely too dark because, brain surgeon that I am, I waited until almost 8 o'clock to go out, partly because I can't deal with the sun, and there was an assortment of interesting people around, and I didn't want to get them in the frames, plus I didn't want to attract attention by bringing electronics out here. So this is not quite the view that I was hoping you guys would get, but this is what I'm doing. I have basil plants here. What else do I have? I forget, but I have much more in my house that I am going to have to transfer, because I got kind of a late start on this plot. I didn't realize that I had this space until, not now, hon. I didn't realize I had this space, and excuse me, not now. I don't understand why people see that you're filming and they have to interrupt you. Anyway, I didn't know I was going to get this space until the end of May, and I had that much time to get some seeds that I hadn't already had saved from the last time I had an organic garden, and I put things in as soon as I could, and I'm still waiting for a lot of things to come up. So anyway, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already and you like my content, please do subscribe. I hope I'm not confusing my audience by filming all these different things, but this is an important part of my life, and I hope to be able to feed my mother, at least, and maybe some of my homeless friends with some of the crops that I hope to grow. So I will talk to you soon. Bye.